So we have a massive update that happened in GoHighLevel. We're able to now use version 2 to connect Claude Code and Claude Cowork to the HighLevel MCP. Now this one is version 2, so it has a little bit more scope than we had originally, and this is actually going to make the install a little bit smoother and easier. So today what we're going to do is we're going to connect Claude and GoHighLevel, so we're going to be able to do things in Claude Cowork and actually create scheduled agents to go and do things inside of our GoHighLevel account to make our lives a whole bunch easier. So stay tuned and build along with us. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to our Claude code in the desktop that we have in the desktop area that we have in here. And now I'm going to go over here to home, and I am now going to go into Cowork, and inside of Cowork, I'm going to go over to customize. Inside of customize, we now have connectors. Inside connectors, you're going to hit add, you're going to hit add custom connector, and we're going to leave this up. Now, inside of HighLevel, this is the link to the marketplace docs/other and /MCP right here. This is the actual server site, and we're in version 3 because, again, they've been updating this quite a bit. Now, before we even get into the connection, understand that they're still limited. You only have a few connectors or things you can do based on the MCP connection. So what you're going to do is once you come in here, this delete connector MCP server, as you can see, it is now gone to version 2, and now they have an Anthropic version, which is going to be the version that we're going to be leveraging. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're actually going to grab this URL right here, and I'll have this in the description below along with the link to this page so you could see all the scopes and the walkthrough and everything that you need to know and the things that this thing can actually do. As far as contacts, conversations, opportunities, calendars and appointments, payments, we'll go over all this in a second. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this endpoint, which is the one that says Anthropic. I'm going to copy it and know that this will probably change at some point in time, so just be aware. Then I'm going to go into my Claude Cowork desktop, and I'm going to go back to that same place where I had it. I'm going to call this the GoHighLevel MCP server. All right. I'm going to put in the remote MCP server, which is now the Anthropic version and the updated. And I'm going to hit add. And what it's going to do is I'm going to go in here and it's going to ask me to connect. Now, when it connects, it's going to ask me for my username and password, which I'm going to do on this side for your regular HighLevel account. So all you got to do is come over here. This is the window that actually comes up. When it comes up, you're going to hit install. When you hit install, it's going to automatically ask you to log into your CRM. Now, I'm going to do that on the side right here, and I'm going to put my information in. So we're going to give that a quick second. I'm going to check my phone for the code, and then it's going to give you a list of all your accounts. And then when you get to that list, what it will do is it's going to ask for all the scopes and the things that are available for you to connect to. Okay, now scopes are basically things that it can do. Now, if you come in here, it tells you it can read a business, your campaigns, it can read and write your contacts, it can do associations. I mean, there is literally quite a bit of stuff on here. I'm just going to go ahead, allow and install, and it's going to automatically install into the account in question. And then once I have that done, I'm going to go ahead and open Claude. All right, so it brought me back in. So now if I want to see if it's connected, what I'll do is that I'll hit customize. I'll come over here to connectors, and I'll see my GoHighLevel MCP, which is great. So now that it's there, I'm going to say, I just connected my GoHighLevel MCP. I want you to go in and I want you to basically tell me, what do you have available that I can leverage in here, and help me create some tasks and agents that I can run on a schedule to make sure that I'm optimized. And I'm going to change this to Opus, and we are going to do the effort into high. All right. And let's see what it can do. Now I'm going to tell you a couple of things that I would honestly recommend. Social media, 100%. I would do it in here where it checks social media and does all of that. I would also do where you're checking your conversations, where you're checking your leads, where it's reporting back on any leads lost or anything that you haven't replied to. So when it's going to go in here, it's going to help identify all that, and it's going to get locations, opportunities, and so forth and so on. So really smart in just identifying the things that you want to do to fill in their gaps to whatever you're doing inside of your GoHighLevel account. Now we're going to create a few scheduled tasks and agents so then you could see the process. And then this is what happens when I ask it the task, right? So it went in there and confirmed the different things it could do. And then it says, give the green light on the scheduled agents you want to build. I'm going to say something else right now because I'm going to say, actually, I want you to list all the different tasks you can do, and let's identify some important tasks that you think would be great for us to automate, and let's give it a list first before we do anything else. Because what I want to do is I want to identify. Now remember, my Claude Cowork knows a lot about me, and if you guys haven't really figured out how to exactly do that, just watch some of my previous videos, or better yet, take in the workshop that we're doing on Claude Cowork, where we actually teach you how to basically customize this so it serves you and only you. Then it knows everything about your business, and then it's going to go in and it's going to identify all the different things you can do and monitor. It's going to customize it to you and your liking and your business. So here's what the GHL can do: contact CRM, search and list contact, conversations, search by status, assignee, read message threads. That's going to be important for me. Appointments, calendars, payments, social planner, blogs, emails, create and fetch templates, knowledge base, VIP and subscription guard, no-show recovery, weekly social report, content queue, weekly pipeline. I'm going to actually say, hey, let's start into doing a daily check or adding to our daily brief that we're going in here and we're checking that our conversations have all been answered on any replies coming back into the system. Let's go ahead and do a sweep now to see if there's any unanswered questions that we need to pin and go back in and answer, and go ahead and help me draft in a response so we can go in and basically have it ready to, respond back to the customer. So what I do is I do already a morning daily brief that automatically goes in. Again, if you don't know how to do that, I'll link to the actual lead magnet that we have that teaches you how to do this with Claude Cowork. And what I have is a daily brief. Now, what I want to do is get the emails or the customer service questions that haven't been answered yet. And I'm going to go ahead and see, one, if it can do it. And if it can do it, then what I want to do is add it to my daily brief, which is already scheduled every day. Look, and here you go. It already drafted some response, some answered both a Facebook DM and a reply to send that came into an actual email. And when should we have the daily conversation sweep? Fold into my 9 a.m. brief. Now, I already have a scheduled brief. And for anybody that doesn't know how to schedule tasks in here, you go over to schedule tasks, and I have a daily brief that I already have in. So for this particular thing, I would add it to my daily brief because I just want to check unanswered emails and make sure it's there. Now, I'll come over here and I'll go back to this, and I'm going to say right here, I'm going to go ahead and fold this into my 9 a.m. brief. Real conversations only. Boom. And then there we go. And it automatically adds it to the specific scheduled tasks in there. Now, on top of that, I do want to check for any kind of dead leads or any kind of follow through. So, okay, now that we have this and we understand everything that it has, it will do this on the daily morning. So every morning I have already draft responses ready for me at 9 a.m. ready to go for my GoHighLevel account that I have inside there. So the next thing I'm going to do is create different agents that are going to help me run my business, right? So one is, always go after the money first. That is always the goal. So one, I'm handling customer service. Two, now I'm going to see for any kind of dead leads or anybody that I need to follow up with. So we're going to ask it with Claude's help to help schedule tasks that will help me run the business and help me find and close leads, right? Okay, great. Now that we added that to the daily brief, understanding the needs of the business, right? You know everything about my business. What would you suggest being the next agents or scheduled tasks that we create in order for us to run our business efficiently through HighLevel, which is our main CRM? Let's think about, leads, generating leads, and more importantly, closing any kind of gaps or doing anything that you think is going to be good. Also, do you recommend that we help our associates install this on their systems so then they have access to do their job specifically inside the tool? All right. Why do I have to think about it? I don't. I honestly can just go in here, communicate with the AI, help the AI devise some good ideas based on its known capabilities and my business. It's already trained on my business. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit more context and go from there. And look at all the ones that it came up with. It says affiliate activation agent, your number one revenue line is leaking. Your affiliate management pipeline has stages like affiliate, contract sign, added a campaign, stuck deal nudger, active lead, speed to lead, first touch hourly, the compounding one. Short answer, yes, but centralized distribution first. Phase one, centralize the 3 money agents on your Cowork. Associates receive outputs, draft responses. So the short answer is yes, but again, it's telling me that I gotta do mine here. Let's go ahead and work on the new lead nurture gap catcher. And I'm going to work on that particular agent. And then I'm going to create a scheduled task that does this every week for me. Now, this is again why this is going to be more powerful, because you can have where you're running your daily operations like I do out of Claude, where I do a lot of different things, and I'll be able to now have these agents running consistently within my business. So pretty easy to connect. You can connect one of your sub accounts directly into this and have it directly running in there. You can help it manage your business on a day-to-day, help you find leads, score leads, do whatever you need. It's only evolving. They're adding more scopes and more points to allow you to do this. Pretty simple installation. You saw me customize under here. And connectors, inside of connectors, we hit add. We hit an add custom connector. We called it our GoHighLevel MCP server. And then we added the remote server, connected it, basically picked the account we wanted it to connect to. And now it has even more scopes than the previous MCP did. So hopefully this was helpful. You now have the ability of not only creating scheduled tasks like we're doing right now, but you also have the ability of doing a lot of other things directly in here. So this is going to be pretty cool, something you definitely want to do, and then create as many agents as you need to help you run your business. All right. And we'll see you in the next one.